Good morning, students. 10th Standard Max, second chapter, Numbers and Sequences. It is time for us to begin our journey to understand the most fascinating part of mathematics, namely the study of numbers. Euclid's division lemma. Let us now discuss Euclid's lemma and its application through an algorithm termed as Euclid's division lemma. Lemma is an auxiliary result used for proving an important theorem. It is usually considered as a mini theorem. Theorem 1. Let A and B, A greater than B, be any two positive integers. Then there exist unique integers Q and R such that A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. For example, we will see on sum using Euclid's division lemma. Find the quotient and remainder when A is divided by B in the following case: A is equal to minus 12, B is equal to 5. By Euclid's division lemma, the formula is A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. A is minus 12 given in the question. So you have to substitute instead of A, minus 12 is equal to 5 into, you have to multiply by 3, we will get 15 minus 15 plus 3, which is equal to minus 12. So what is Q? Minus 3 is Q, remainder is equal to R. This is the solution for this sum. Next we will see Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm provides an easier way to compute the highest common factor of two given positive integers. Let us now prove the following theorem. Theorem 2. If A and B are positive integers such that A is equal to BQ plus R, then every common divisor of A and B is a common divisor of B and R, and vice versa. Euclid's division algorithm. To find highest common factor of two positive integers A and B, where A greater than B, the following 4 steps to be used to find Euclid's division algorithm of highest common factor, that is HCF. First one is step 1. Using Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B, where Q is the quotient, R is the remainder. If R is equal to 0, then B is the highest common factor of A and B. Step 2. Otherwise, applying Euclid's division lemma, divide B by R to get B is equal to RQ1 plus R1. 0 less than or equal to R1 less than R. Step 3. If R1 is equal to 0, then R is the highest common factor of A and B. Step 4. Otherwise, using Euclid's division lemma, repeat the process until we get the remainder 0. In that case, the corresponding divisor is the HCF of A and B. For example, let us see one example sum how to find out highest common factor using Euclid's division algorithm. If the highest common factor of 2, 10 and 55 is expressible in the form 55x minus 325, find the value of x. Using Euclid's division algorithm, let us find the HCF of the given numbers. Take the greatest number. 210 is the greatest number. You have to multiply 55 by 3. So 55 into 3, remainder is 45. Then only we will get 210. So 210 is equal to 55 into 3 plus 45. Again you have to take the 55. 55 is equal to, take this number remainder, 45 into 1 plus 10. We will get 55. And 45, next number is 45. 45 is equal to 10 into 4 plus 5. By this same way, you have to use the 10, take the 10 and multiply 5 into 2, we will get remainder is 0. So 10 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 0. The remainder is 0. So the last divisor 5 is the highest common factor of 210 and 55. Since HCF is expressible in the form 55x minus 325 is equal to 5. So 55x is equal to minus 325 goes that side, means 3 to plus 325 plus 5. So 55x is equal to 330, x is equal to 6. So the value of x is equal to 6. Thank you, students.